Hello everyone, so today I'll be discussing about a new question. So I can give some brackets here to write the question. So question is that a company wants to share his company want to share its shares amount. The amount of shares is equals to 5,000. Okay, but it's an open offer. What is an open offer? So open offer is simply like if they want to like buy 500, they can buy 500, and if they want to directly buy 5,000, they can directly buy 5,000. And for in the end we'll be also giving that how much buyers did buy the same thing. So as you know that from the starting you have to use include iOS stream using namespace std integer main void. Okay, then we have to use here integer, this integer x we are using because we have to like x plus plus, because we have to return our condition, and that's why we are using this. And then we have to use tot for total, like the amount that is total, because we have in the end we have to give that how much buyers did buy, that we have to do a total. Then for bid we are asking about bid, that's why we have to use this bid. So the condition I will be using is while. So while I'm writing here tot total, you can write total is if total is less than 500, then I have to display cout, then I have to display enter your bid equals to, then here will become our total. So for the total I have to minus from 5,000, because I have to like manage them all the customers that are coming. Then in cin I have to give bid of it. Then after while will follow, if the amount will be like 5,000, then it will be okay. If the amount will be not 5,000, then he have to return it to again, that's why we are using while here. Then we have to do here plus plus x, because we have to return again. Then I'll be using here total plus bid. Why? Because after returning that, then he have to total the bid again. Then after this condition is completed, and while this condition is following or other, you have to follow this one condition. Then it's done now. Then we have to write total buyers equals to, then you can write here x, because our total buyer variable is x. Then I'm gonna close this a bit. Equals to brought 5,000 shares. Why? Because these like they have bought 5,000 shares. The program is completed. I have to write return 0. Let's take an overview. So our question is that a company wants to share his shares, amount is 5,000, and it's an open offer. Open offer is like that if they want to buy 5,000, they can directly buy 5,000. If they want to like buy 2,500, they can buy 2,500 two times. Then it will like display you have two customers to buy 5,000 shares. Why we use while? Because it's in condition we have to use while. Do while, like if the bid is minus if we total our is minus 5000, like total is in, I already given in integer that total equals to 0. Then if the total equals to 0, then total minus 5000 then equals to bid. After putting bid, then if it's 5000, then it will be directly returning here. If they will be total will be not 5000, then it will again go up and they will continue the condition that is given here. So F9 is asking me about share the files. I'll write here company c1 company shares.cpp. so it's this gives an error. So let's check this, what is the error. So as you know that in cout I have to, if it's the rule of C++, we have to put semicolon. I didn't put semicolon there. So our program is done. So he is asking me about interview bit equals to minus 5000. So if I'm writing here 900, then my 4100 is remaining. Now if I'm putting 1700, then my 2400 is remaining. If I'm putting 900 again, then my 1500 is remaining. If I'm putting 1400, then my 100 is remaining. If I'm putting 100, then all done. And then this program will be telling you the total buyers is 5 and they bought 5000 shares. So this is that is program, and this is all about it. Thank you so much for watching.